At the Boys and Girls Club of Bellevue, third grader Brandon Jackson is getting the care he needs since his school has now closed.
What can we do to potentially provide some really life-saving services for our members that have truly nowhere else to go every day?
The organization announced today they've partnered with the Bellevue School District to provide all-day childcare for families in need at 6 facilities in neighborhoods across the city.
A lot of families still need to work throughout all of this, and so we're really grateful that they're doing it.
Mom Carmel Sashai says she's yet to decide where her son Noah will go during the day when she's at work.
We just feel really unsure. We're not sure what we're going to be doing, even from day to day.
But she's thrilled the Boys and Girls Club will be an option starting Monday morning when they'll open their doors early at 8 a.m.
With the partnership with the school district, they'll help us bus those kids to those sites so that we can make sure any kid in Bellevue has access to our facilities.
CEO Tim Motz adds facilities will allow space for social distancing, time outside, and access to technology to help with homework. The Bellevue School District will also provide breakfast and lunch to kids in need during this time that no one could have ever imagined.
Our hope is to be able to serve thousands of kids a day, just making sure that we do it in a safe way.
And if you'd like more information on the child care here at the Boys and Girls Club of Bellevue, we've posted a link under hot links on KOMOnews.com.
Urgent care clinics in the region are seeing a noticeable jump in calls and visits. At this ZOOM+Care in Seattle, physician assistant Erin Hutchison says it's clear people are nervous.
Patients who come to clinics with questions, we see them for a visit, we talk through everything, we go through making sure that they're stable, so their vital signs are all good.
Contrary to what a lot of people think, many urgent care clinics provide preventive and primary care. And now some are offering free virtual screening online for patients with concerns about their symptoms. Dr. Mark Mariani is with Multicare Health System.
We decided with everything that was going on with the coronavirus or the COVID-19 situation that we wanted to do our part for the community, and so we decided to make it free for a period of time.
Starting Friday, ZOOM+Care will also offer free COVID-19 risk assessments online for anyone concerned about possible coronavirus symptoms. For the most part, going to an urgent care clinic is like going to your regular doctor, with treatment rooms, basic blood and lab tests, prescription capabilities, and some over-the-counter medications. They accept a variety of health insurance plans, but check before you make an appointment to make sure you're in network. Most I talk to cannot offer COVID-19 testing yet.
If you do make it to a clinic and you need to be seen further, we don't actually have the testing in place at the moment, but that's something they're working on.
Still, choosing urgent care can help cut down on crowded waiting rooms elsewhere and address symptoms that are not coronavirus, so the hospital system can take care of the people who are really sick.
It's a story of attrition. Not all cases need to be heard by a jury. A judge can hear a case, but you need at least 3 people to run a courtroom in King County. The courts are in uncharted territory right now, and because of new restrictions, some cases are not going to be heard. It's a ripple effect of the virus. King, Snohomish, and Pierce County courtrooms are growing silent with the lack of jurors.
I could imagine very shortly that there might not even be enough people to convene a jury.
Less than a day after King County presiding judge Jim Rogers ordered that those over 60 or have underlying health conditions or a weakened immune system or pregnant, they don't have to show up for jury duty. The jury pools have dropped significantly.
We're granting excuses pretty liberally, to be perfectly honest.
So now all civil jury trials are on hold, and criminal jury trials, the first priority for any jury placement, may soon be on hold as well.
I suspect that our work will just get much slower, and then, Matt, I'm not sure where it goes from here.
Seattle Municipal Court has suspended all civil and criminal jury trials, and if you wanted to fight that parking ticket in front of a judge, you can't. Those hearings have been suspended too.
I have the right to have my lawyer right now.
But criminals are still being arrested, and by law, they must have their day in court at least 72 hours after they're booked in jail. Rogers says courts are working on more closed-circuit video appearances, not just for the defendant's sake, but to keep the court staff separated with proper social distancing, so the court system can still operate.
This is an unprecedented situation. I completely admit that no one knows what the road exactly looks like in front of us, especially in the next, say, 4 to 6 weeks.